Hey, what's up everyone? More and more often I started to hear this magical ideas that a product can be built by a single person, independent developer, a single hiree. So let me bring my perspective on this agenda. If you're a product owner or ambitious entrepreneur and you're looking for a single developer to implement your idea, I'm sure you're going in the wrong direction. First of all, if you're searching for a single developer, then your product development, or let's say your technical requirements, very low in a volume perspective. Your roadmap is small, your backlog is little, and for some reason it's not enough yourself to implement everything what's on that backlog. Well, if the answer that you cannot implement everything what's on the backlog because you're not competent in that regards, then you shouldn't even hire a single person because you don't know how to evaluate them, how to manage them, how to deliver anything. And that's a blackjack for you, that's a gambling. So you can hire someone for a little amount of money, you can hire them with little experience, and you could say, look, this is ChatGPT, this is my brilliant idea, and I think it's simple to do, it's straightforward. I think it's 2 to 3 weeks of work, and all your opinions, they will be formed based on the communication with LLM. And sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't, but just hear me out. The idea that someone independently can build your product is a utopia. It cannot happen, because the product building is not about writing code. And when you hire a single independent developer, the only expectations you might have is someone will write the code. And if you are at the point where you can handle everything else, then that's fine. And if you're at the point where you can handle everything else but you cannot write the product, like the code for a single person, let's say 30 hours a week, because hiree won't work 30 hours a week for you. They will probably slack and do only 20 because there is no supervision, because you cannot have this supervision, right? And then my question is, why is the technical startup is something that you're writing? So you're not competent in the technical perspective, you don't have an idea how to manage this person, and then like what's the point of that?